Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ending prematurely. Alright, let's begin. This issue happens because an Epic Games folder is still present on your system. To fix it, open File Explorer, search for this PC, and go to your C drive. Next, open the Program Files folder and search for Epic Games by typing E to locate it quickly. If the folder exists, right-click and delete it. Then, repeat the same steps in the Program Files x86 folder. If you find an Epic Games folder there, delete it as well. Once both folders are removed, refresh your system and restart your PC. After restarting, try reinstalling the Epic Games Launcher using the Setup Wizard. The installation should now complete without any issues. So that's basically how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ending prematurely. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.